The case of the attack on the Azerbaijani embassy in France in September 2022 is being heard again in Paris. The hearing will take place today, June 10, 2025, at the Court of Appeal. The attack, organized by radical pro-Armenian activists, caused wide international resonance. The case is the first of its kind in France, where an attack on a diplomatic institution is considered within the context of the Armenian-Azerbaijani conflict. The identity of the main defendant in the attack on the diplomatic mission of Azerbaijan, Loris Toufanyan, a member of the Armenian Shahjum movement, was established from video recordings and eyewitness accounts. By the decision of the Paris court on June 23, 2023, Toufanyan was sentenced to a suspended 6-month prison term and a fine. However, the case has now been transferred to the Court of Appeal. Azerbaijan's interests in the Court of Appeal are represented by lawyer Edmond Verdier. Known for his work on international affairs, Verdier emphasizes that this process is not only about the defense of the state or its representatives. According to experts, the court's decision may set a precedent in international legal practice for the protection of diplomatic missions from aggression. Recall that on September 18, 2022, radical Armenian nationalists attempted to attack the Azerbaijani embassy in Paris, resulting in damage to the embassy building. Evidence related to the attack was submitted to the local court with a demand to punish the main organizer and participants of the attack. In court, the Azerbaijani embassy was represented by the Lexler law firm. According to the investigation, there was a violent entry into the territory of the Azerbaijani embassy, accompanied by the destruction of property. Metal barriers were used to break down the front door. These actions constitute a violation of international law, in particular the provisions of the Vienna Convention on Diplomatic Relations.